How to fix profile picture not showing to others on your WhatsApp. Hello everyone, it's me Smile and today I will show you how you can fix this problem of yours. First of all, make sure that you go on the Google Play Store of your phone and install the latest version of WhatsApp on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already installed WhatsApp and then logged in with your phone number, then simply open it. On the top right side, you will see there are three vertical dots. Now just tap on settings. And here you can see there is a profile, but there is no option of seeing if anybody else can see your profile and you can change it or not. So to change it, what you can simply do is tap on the privacy option. After you tap on the privacy option, on the second option, you can see there is the option of profile photo. When you tap on this, I have tapped on everyone. So everyone that search for my number on WhatsApp can be able to see my profile photo because I've already enabled it. But if you tap on nobody, then nobody except you see your profile photo. When you tap on my contact accept, then you can simply choose the contact. When you tap on my contact, then only your contacts will be able to see. If you tap on everyone, then everyone will be able to see your WhatsApp profile photo. This is how you solve this problem. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video.